Chapter 19. Physical Features of India. Different landforms of India. India is one of the largest countries in the world. It has hills, mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, rivers, etc. They are known as the physical features or landforms of India. Physical divisions of India. India is mainly divided into 6 physical conditions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, the island groups, the northern mountains. All along the north are the great Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. Himalayan range extends for about 2,400 km from the northmost to the northeast part of India. There are many peaks here, and most of them remain covered with snow almost throughout the year. In India, the Himalayas are spread over Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and northeastern states. The world's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is also situated in the Himalayas. There are 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas. Number 1. The Himadri or the Great Himalayas. Number 2. Himachal or the Middle Himalayas. Number 3. Shivalik or the Outer Himalayas. Many rivers start from the Himalayas. The northern plains. As we go south from the Himalayas, we come to the vast northern plains of India. They run parallel to the Himalayas from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many rivers that originate in the Himalayas, such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, and Satluj, flow through the northern plains. As these rivers are mainly fed by snow in the Himalayas, the rivers bring with them fine soil called silt or alluvium. Alluvial soil is very fertile. It makes the northern plain one of the most fertile regions of the world. The main rivers have several tributaries or smaller rivers joining them. This region is thickly populated. The Great Indian Desert. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert lies in the western part of the northern plains. It covers parts of Rajasthan. This area is mostly hot and dry, and there is very little rain. The population of this region is very less. This region is very rich in its art and architecture. The southern plateaus. To the south of the northern plains lies the southern plateaus. It covers a large part of India. It is surrounded by Aravalli Range, Rajmahal Hills, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. The Vindhyachal mountain lies in the north. It separates Deccan Plateau from the northern plains. There are other plateaus. It stretched from central India to the south of India. This land is formed by lava. The soil is black soil. The coastal plains. The coastal plains in India are along the west and east of the country. The eastern coastal plain is in the east of India, between Bay of Bengal to the Eastern Ghats. The eastern coastal plains stretch from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. The western coastal plain is in the west of South India, between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. It stretches from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu. There are many ports and beaches on the coastal plains. Coconut trees grow on the coastal plains. The island groups. There are 2 groups of islands in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. The group in Bay of Bengal is called Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is in the east of India. Lakshadweep Islands are in the west of India. These islands are in the Arabian Sea. There are only 36 islands, of which 10 are inhabited. Quick recall. Hills, mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, rivers, etc. are known as physical divisions of India. India is mainly divided into 6 physical divisions. The northern mountains are formed by the Himalayas. The northern plains are in the south of the northern mountains. The largest desert of India is in Rajasthan. The southern plateaus lie to the south of northern plains. There are 2 island groups in India.